Hey everybody, it's your girl Lavina back with you all with another budgeting and cash stuffing video. Y'all, I was so tired. I worked really late last night. That's why my video didn't post. I'm trying to stay consistent and make sure I give y'all a video at least 5 days a week, okay? So let's get into this video. Today we will be doing a combination of multiple binders. We will be we still working on January rent, y'all. And truth be told, in all transparency, we should be done with that by the 5th. That's what I'm giving myself. So we're gonna go ahead and stuff for that. That way next week we will start the budget that we went over. Okay, if y'all understand, if y'all seen that video. Okay, I got some plans coming up. Let's just see how everything go. But I'm positive about it. This year, I already know this is going to test my strength. So y'all pray for your girl and pray that I can just stay consistent. But before we count this money, let's put this change in here, y'all. Yep. I just been trying to work, trying to keep my head down, trying to listen to positive stuff, listening to motivational, looking at y'all's. I DoorDash yesterday and I looked at the budgeting community videos the whole time. So y'all, let's count this money. I made some banana pudding. I just put that in the refrigerator so it can set. So I'm happy about that. Will made beans today. I didn't spend any money yesterday. I did get some with my McDonald's points though. But other than that, I didn't spend any money. Let's see what we have. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 180. This money is 190. 190, 200, 205, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. $221. The bulk of that will be going towards rent. This is a low income channel over here. I think it was $221. Yeah, this is a low income channel over here where we're doing our best with what we have. You can see me cash stuff anywhere from $10 to some hundreds, okay? You just never know, okay? But I go by the motto, every little bit counts, and if I focus on that, and if we focus on that, I think we'll go far in our budgeting journey. It might not be all the money you want to see, but hey, it's better than what you had if you wasn't saving. You feel me? Okay, y'all. So let's get our high priority binder out and take care of that. So rent will be getting $200. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8. And I think it's everything but that 5, 10. Yep, 200. Put that right there. Hurry up and give them their money. I cannot wait because we moved at the end of the month and then we turned around and the rent was due again. That's how we, don't have it all, and Will don't get paid to the 7th. So I'll have my portion, but he won't have his until he get paid on the 7th. Okay? And then we will just be putting something in electricity. We will be giving that $10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is part of the budget for next week. So I think our light bill was like $80 since we moved here. So let's see, if this all we have in here? Yep. Oh, wow. Oh, this is the wrong budget. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and do that. Electricity. All right. And then we have Friday is in here, I believe. Yep, Friday. We're gonna go ahead and do the $3. 1, 2, 3. Getting these started. So Friday, it's right here. This is, we're gonna just keep it right there, okay? And then we have January's as well. And we already completed this, but we want to do it so we can do all of it over. So, you know, one day at a time, that's what we'll do. This was a $25 challenge, and we're going to be giving it $1, 2, 3, 4, $5 today. We got a couple of dollars left. Let's see, we had 3. No, we can't do that because 3 was the shortest one. 3 was the shortest one, y'all. So let's see. We had another Friday. Another one. Let's just go ahead and put some extra dollars in Jaden's binder. Because actually I messed up with the allocations. But that's okay because I just wanted to stuff something. So now Jaden has $6. 5, 6. So it'll be okay because this isn't my budget. Education going to get 1. So now education has 3. Like I said, the real budget and the real showtime is tuition going to get 1 because I don't have nothing. The real showtime, y'all, is next week, honey. Next week, it's going to be like boots on the ground. Yes, y'all. So thank y'all. I hope everybody's new year went well. Happy New Year. If y'all didn't see my other videos telling y'all Happy New Year's, I really appreciate y'all. And thank y'all so much for watching my content. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my video. Yes. Before I let y'all go, I'm trying to make this video at least 10 minutes. I know it was a little short, but if y'all just hang on in there with me for a little bit. Now look, y'all hear that? The dogs want to bark and all that stuff all of a sudden now. That's some craziness, okay? So the goal is to just stay consistent, you know, and save money. And I see, because I've been binge watching the videos, and as long as I do that, it's going to be okay. And even if I got to save $2 a week times 4, that's $8 a month. That's like $96 a year saved, okay? So even if you on a low income budget, you can definitely look at it like that as well. And I think you'll be shocked. Even it doesn't matter. Shh. You know, it really doesn't matter what you have to save, long as you saving. And now here come the pet cemetery, not the pet cemetery, but here come the pets. The pets want to start acting all like, you know what I mean, acting all crazy. I don't know. Daquan, hush up. So yeah, y'all. So thank you guys so much once again for watching this video, hanging in there with me, and all these dogs barking and everything else, y'all. And Daquan is about to get ready and do what he do, honey. Here they come. It's this time of day. All right. So see y'all later on the next video. Bye.